Whiteboard, chat, and notifications. Every subject has its own virtual classroom, which is unique for this subject and can be used by students and teachers anytime. To enter the classroom, just press on the Whiteboard button at the top. You might need to allow eStudy to open pop-ups in your browser. This can be done by clicking on the icon in the right side of the URL bar. In the classroom, you can video chat with your classmates and teachers, as well as use a very powerful whiteboard with a variety of options. The teacher that created the subject is the administrator of the classroom. He can allow and forbid other students to use the whiteboard and control their video and audio. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you see a message symbol. This is eStudy Chat. There you can communicate with others on any topic you like that is unrelated to a specific task. Every time you create a subject, a channel is automatically created in the chat specifically with users of this subject. Of course, there is a video chat, full text search, and you can open the chat in a full screen mode. Two more things. Please allow eStudy to send you notifications. It will help you to stay up to date with everything that happens in your subject. Additionally, you can add eStudy to your desktop or home screen. eStudy asks you about it. By doing so, eStudy becomes indistinguishable from a usual app. eStudy FM is loaded with benefits. Discover it for yourself and join for free now.